How much does it cost to refill windshield washer fluid? Have you ever been driving and suddenly realized your windshield is dirty? It can be a real hassle, especially when you need clear visibility. That is where windshield washer fluid comes in. Keeping this fluid topped off is essential for safe driving, and the good news is that refilling it is quite affordable. When you head to the store, you will find that a gallon of ready-to-use windshield washer fluid typically costs between $3.50 and $7. That gallon is usually enough to fill your car's reservoir multiple times. Most car reservoirs do not hold a full gallon, so you can get a lot of use out of one purchase. If you want to save even more, consider buying concentrated formulas. These requiring you to mix them with water, making them a cost-effective option. If you prefer not to do it yourself, you can take your car to a dealer or mechanic. They might charge around $5 to $6 to refill the fluid. However, this price usually only covers the cost of the fluid itself, not any labor. Since refilling windshield washer fluid is a quick and easy task, many dealers include this service for free during routine maintenance or warranty service. For teenagers learning about car ownership, checking the windshield washer fluid level should be part of your regular car care routine. It is a simple task that can make a big difference, especially before long drives or during bad weather. Having clear visibility is vital for safe driving, and it only takes a few minutes to check and refill the fluid. Learning how to check and refill your windshield washer fluid is a practical skill that can save you money and help keep your car ready for safe use. So next time you notice your windshield is dirty, remember that keeping your washer fluid topped off is an easy and inexpensive way to ensure you can see clearly on the road.